So guys, this is what a standard house this side looks like. I decided to do a closer tour so that you can appreciate the work being done here. Let's get closer. Hi guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. So today guys, I've got very exciting news, especially to those who want to build in Zimbabwe, right? So there's land that I'm also going to tour myself, because remember, I'm also looking for land to buy in Zimbabwe, but of course I want affordable land, right? And also land that makes sense. So there are these things that I just heard about, that I heard being talked about, the Dendera estate. So it's going to be a gated community that I want to go and tour. I heard the servicing is now done, so the area is now ready to build, and there are actually other people who are building already. So I want to go and see the place for myself. And this video, I know that it's going to help someone out there who is also looking for land to buy. But disclaimer guys, these stands, they're just 200 square meters, but they are very affordable, trust me, as compared to other areas with the same land size. Yeah, I guess this one is the most affordable. Distance wise, yeah, I think you just see it for yourself and see if it's a place that you would consider to build your house in. And guys, this is not only land for you to build a house that you can stay in. You can just build your house and rent it out. This is what others are doing, and just make money for yourself. Remember, I told you in my previous videos that people, they are renting out their houses, a room at $150 US. Now imagine if it's a 2-bedroomed house, 3-bedroomed house, how much will you rent it out for? So these are also other things that you can consider. So guys, fasten your seatbelts, relax. We are going to Ruwa, Dendera Estate. See you there. So guys, from where I stay, Ruwa is a bit far. Remember, I stay in Waterfall. So what we are going to do is we're just going to pass by 103 restaurant, and we are going to have our meal there. It's going to be sadza. Remember that restaurant that I once posted here that specializes in traditional cuisine, Zimbabwean traditional cuisine. Want to eat sadza, but I'm sadza makuseni. Sadza every time. You can actually eat in the morning, maskati, manero shese. Sadza rina timetable. Sadza ndore. Ndatoya kuzodya sinatombomukira chili. Yeah. So we are now here at 103, and right now I'm having sadza and knuckle bones and vegetables. This is what I chose, and trust me guys, this is delicious. And the other guys, they chose sadza and steak and kidney. Yeah, so they're enjoying their meal also. Dendera Estate is located in the eastern side of Harare CBD. and it's about 22 kilometers close to Adelaide Park in Ruwa. So this is where we are now heading to, and I hope you're going to enjoy the area that I'm going to show you. If you're someone looking for land to buy in Harare, like I said, this is actually the best video for you. And now I officially welcome you guys to Dendera Estate Gated Community in Ruwa, Adelaide Park. And all the servicing, guys, these tents, they are fully serviced, ready to build. All the sewer works, all the roads, they are now in good condition. What you just need to do is just to come and buy your tent this side. If you love what you see, please keep those numbers in your mind. Home Pros Reality, those are the ones who are selling these tents here in Ruwa. So like I said, guys, these tents, they are ready to build. Just look at those beautiful structures. Some houses, they are now complete, just final touch-ups, yeah, but you can see that the area is really promising. So what's stopping you guys from building something like this? I know the tents, they are a bit small, but the houses, they are very beautiful. So from what I heard, they are allowing people to buy as many stands as you want. And remember, these stands, they already have title deeds. So you'll be covered. You just buy, even if you want 400 square meters, it's up to you. Even if you want 1,000 square meters, it's still up to you. And it's going to be a very, very, very nice neighborhood. So these tents, they range from 12,000 US dollars up to 15,000 US dollars, depending with the tent that you would have chosen on their map. So yeah, those are the budgets, and I think this is the most affordable area you can get at 200 square meters. So this is the plan, guys. This is how they want this area to look like. Just imagine yourself owning a house in this kind of neighborhood. Remember, it's still work in progress, but I'm sure as soon as they are done with all the things, it will exactly look like this. So there are so many stands available in this area, and one thing that I also loved is the soil type in this neighborhood. It doesn't require a special foundation. You just do the normal foundation, and it won't cost you much to complete a 200 square meters. guys, this is what a standard house this side looks like. I decided to do a closer tour so that you can appreciate the work being done here. Let's get closer. So I'm sure this is the lounge. Goes from outside, you go straight to the lounge. It's big. Remember, these are 200 square meters. This one, I would love to think that is the kitchen. And the one who was doing the roofing did justice. Let's get inside. Okay. I'm sure this one is the master bedroom. Okay. With an in-suite. So let's go into the whole line that is already built the side and see. I just want you to see that this area is really promising, guys. Just look at this beautiful house. What this person did to his or her beautiful house, the painting, the detail to each and everything. It's beautiful. So this is all that we had for today, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed watching these stands in Adelaide Park, Ruwa, Dendera Estate, and I hope you're going to secure your land there. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Up until next time, cheers.